What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data is slow in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on the flight mode and wait for 10 to 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds turn it back off. It will refresh the network signals, and refreshing the network signals can fix the slow mobile data issue. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue of slow mobile data, then check your network. So if you're getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to area where you can get good network, and after getting good network, the slow mobile data issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, put it back in your phone, and after that the mobile data issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile data is slow issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.